Welcome to Olhão. Today we are here to tell you about a new tour that we launched recently. It's a gastronomical tour in Olhão. The first thing you will get to know during this tour is the culture of Olhão, how the first people came and installed themselves in this city and all the development of this society. The second great thing that you'll get to know during this tour is the root of legends. You will get on the alleys of the city and you'll get to know the legends, you will see the sculptures, and we will tell you all the story behind these legends. And my favorite part is the possibility to eat 9 different typical snacks of Olhão. Olhão or the region. I will tell you a couple of them, like oysters coming from Ria Formosa salty lagoon, or the shrimps that are specifically from this coast, or eventually you can also try the eggs of sardines that are on cans, amazing ones. So today I'm going to reveal just a little bit of this tour. Come with us. Graffitis is one of the most impressive street arts that we have nowadays. And behind me you can see one of the most impressive scenes that is related with the city of Olhão, where the ladies were working in the factories, in the industries. So what they were doing, the men were fishing the fish, and here they were collecting the fish and put them later on in cans that I'm about to show you. So behind me I have one very important sign, how the fishermen on the fisher neighborhoods used to use the streets as an extension of their houses. Before going to the sea, they came outside to fix their nets. That's celebration time, of course, after a long night working in the sea, collecting the fish, working with the nets. What the men should do after arriving to land? Of course, going to the tavern to have a glass of wine with their friends and chat about what happened during last night. So we are near one of the most famous legends of Olhão, the boy of the big eyes. The most famous legend of this big eye boy is that he used to appear to the fishermen on the neighborhood of Barreta. In fact, when the fishermen were passing in Barreta, they see this boy and he was crying all the time. So the fishermen, the reaction was to hold him to take him home. But while they were walking, the boy became more and more heavy. So at the end of the day, they were obliged to drop the boy. If we try to relate the story of this legend to the reality at that time, people were not going to the schools, so people were not studying. It was a way to avoid the kids to go out at night. Another way of understanding this legend is that by that time there was a lot of smugglers in the area. And to avoid the police, the community created this legend to avoid the smugglers to go around. This was just a little bite of the legends that we have in Olhão. So now come with us to have a real bite on the amazing food that we have. So today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite dishes. It's eggs of sardines. In reality, it's the only place that I know is in Portugal and in Olhão that we still keep the tradition of having the eggs of sardines in cans. Good appetite! During this tour you will have the chance to try 9 different local dishes and 3 different wines from the region. So if you like this tour, go to our website, check all the gastronomical tours that we offer all over the country. We will be pleased to have you with us.